Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to my channel, Sane Vibe Art. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding the bell so you know when I am uploading new videos. So today we're going to do a cute little bunny, and it's going to be a baby bunny. And he's going to have the pacifier in his mouth. Stay all the way to the end so you can get the full cuteness of this little baby bunny. So we're starting off here with a warm fuzzy hat for said baby bunny. And I'm leaving spaces for his ears to come out in the hat. So we're going to go ahead and draw that in. And right now I'm just drawing little holes, like if you were to have stitching around the ears where the ears come out and where the holes are. So I'm just making those little circles and just sketching his tiny ears. Drawing cute little creatures is really fun. I'm kind of learning how to do that. For this one, I decided to make one of his ears floppy or bent. So we're just going to curve that out, and then I'm going to see where the bottom is going to be. And then you kind of draw a triangular shape, but make sure to make it curvy. And I apologize for the sun coming through my window and putting sunlight onto my video. That little part I just drew was the inside of his ear, the only part of it showing because it's flopped over. So I'm gonna put lines in the cap so that you can see that's like a knit cap or a woolen cap or something like that, but it's a stretchy cap. So we're going to make little stretch marks and knit marks. Oh, that sunlight won't let me be great, but it's okay. I'll have a full picture at the very end of it, so please stay to the end. And when you're drawing, don't try to be too hard on yourself about the drawing. These are sketching. This is sketching, so you can change the shape. If you don't like it, you can remove it. You can just try to draw lightly so that you can erase it and it won't show through when you're trying to go over another spot. I usually draw a little bit lighter when I'm tracing, but I'm trying to draw dark enough so that you all can see it. So we're giving him big eyes. Or it might be a girl, I don't really know. But we're giving him big old eyes, little triangular nose. And we're going to go ahead and start shaping out the black part of his eye. And then again, going to make another smaller circle for the lighting on the eye, so you can see light coming through. So he's already looking cute. Give him tiny eyebrows coming out from under his cap. And this is the part I really like, is giving him the pacifier, because I think that's adorable. So we're just gonna give a pacifier shape, and I forgot to leave the space for the little pacifier holder rings, so no worries, just erase that and then go ahead and draw them in the shape that you want, and put a smaller circle in the middle so it has the hole that goes through. And then the little tiny breathing holes, or I don't know, babies have spit that come through those holes and try to keep their mouth dry, but it doesn't always work. So air breathing holes or whatever those little tiny ones are on the sides. So I'm just redrawing the middle circle. And let's get started with his scarf. He's got to keep warm. But you know, they should technically already be warm because they have fur, but maybe it's a little colder outside. He needs some extra gear. So I'm going to give him his scarf. And this time I'm not going to, in another video I did with my Afro penguin, you know, I kind of put colors and things like that in the scarf, but this time I'm not going to do that. Just going to leave it as it is. And draw his little tiny body. And let's give him some small feet that come out. Or maybe you want to do big feet. You know, it's kind of, what do they call those? I don't know, like winter hares or something like that. They have really big feet so they can stay on top of the snow. I don't know. I'm not a rabbitologist or anything like that, but yeah, I've made his kind of small. And now we're going to give him some mittens. Why do bunnies need mittens? Because I said they do in my picture and I'm the artist drawing it, so this bunny needs mittens, just like he needs a hat and a scarf. You know, try to get them about the same size, but you know, you adjust the size. These aren't quite what I was trying to get at, but I'm just going to redraw, reshape until I get it the way that I want. And then adding some buttons because he's wearing a coat, of course. So I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you like to draw. If you like to draw these baby animals, if this tutorial was helpful for you. And sometimes it's just nice to draw along with somebody, try different things. You know, there's so many brilliant artists online that it's hard not to attempt some of the things that they do. So I do that often. Look at what they're drawing, kind of try to draw it myself and then put my own spin on it. So now I'm filling in his eyes. And can you believe that we've done all of this? It's been less than 10 minutes and we have drawn a complete bunny. And you probably didn't think that you could do that or didn't know that you could do that. But if you want to stop and start the video, you know, to get a particular part down, do that and follow along with me as I draw. And also make sure that you continue to come back because I'll be uploading more videos, tutorials. I'll be doing some arts and crafts projects. I'll be trying other people's artistic impressions that they give in their art challenges. So, you know, my channel is very new. So there's our complete bunny, and I hope you enjoyed this. It's been a pleasure drawing with you, and I hope you come back again. He's so cute.